Welcome back to another Retenzy tutorial series. In this video, you are going to learn how to set up reward page in Shopify. For this, you have to simply click on Online Store. Once you click on Online Store, you have to click on Edit Theme. Once you are in your theme editor, you will be seeing a drop down at the very top of the editor and by default homepage option. You have to click on that and you have to see the option for the pages. You have to click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, you will be seeing an option for Create Template. Just click on Create Template. Once you create the template, name the template as a loyalty page and then create a template. Once you create the template, simply go and select the loyalty page option. And once you select the loyalty page as an option, you will be seeing some by default information have already loaded. You have to simply hide that information. And then you have to click on section, the plus sign, and then you have to go click on apps option and then add a hero banner. Once you add a hero banner, you have to again select the plus option to add another section, and then you have to select by going again to the apps and then select how it works. After that, you again select on plus option and then select earn by going into the app section. And then the last option, if you want to add, simply click on plus icon and then go to the application and click redeem. By this, your loyalty page will be created. After that, you have to simply click save. Once you click save, go back to your Shopify store. Look for the online store. Once you click on store, you'll be seeing an option called pages. Click on pages. Once you click on pages, you will be seeing an option at the top right corner as an ad page. You have to click on add page. You have to name loyalty. And then in here in the template section, you have to select the loyalty page. Once you do that, click on save. To show that in your header or footer, you have to go to the content on your store itself and you have to find for the menus. Once you see menu, go to the footer menu or the header menu, click on the menu and then add menu. Once you add menu, name the menu as the loyalty page and add the link for that particular page and simply click save. Once you are done with everything, your loyalty page menu will be visible in the footer section or header section, or as good as you customize. After that, people can go and check whatever the process is to earn and redeem the rewards. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to Retenzy YouTube channel.